Okay, we're here at Pizza Ricca. This location is only here 11 days. However, they've been in the business a long, long time. They have another location at 5226 South State Road in South Hollywood, right across from the new Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. This location is 2001 Northwest Boca Raton Boulevard in Boca Raton. Very, very nice people inside. Two brothers from the Dominican Republic, which I have been to many, many times. They couldn't have been any nicer. They use Supremo Italiano, which is another top-notch Italian cheese. They use Trump flour. They use all of the great Italian ingredients, the top-notch stuff. Excellent Marshall & Sons ovens. The place is very, very clean. They make this beautiful little bar pie. Really looks good. Can't wait to taste it. Bottom looks really good. Nice and thin. Okay, just took a bite. Someone was pulling out. Sorry for the distraction here, but well, really, really good. Delicious. Again, can't stop eating it. Location, excellent. Easy accessible, parking, cleanliness top notch, ownership, very, very nice young man. Adonis is his name. He has a brother. They work together, came here from the Dominican Republic to get the American dream, and they sure did. I'm very impressed with this place. I really like it. I'm going to give them an 8.2. That's my score for Pizza Ricca.